Hello everyone, this is Jason here with another episode of How Do You Cook That? Today we're going to show you how to do stuffed pear squash. Now pear squash is a different variety of opal squash, usually used in Asian cooking and Asian cuisines. I'm going to show you a quick simple way of making it. Hope you enjoy this video. Now the flavor of the pear squash is comparable to zucchini. It is a little bit sweeter, more mild than zucchini. It doesn't have that really zucchini flavor to it. The skin is edible, so you don't actually have to peel the skin when it's young. Usually when you're choosing a pear squash, you want it to be light colored. The darker the color, the older the pear squash is. In this video here, I'm showing you a younger pear squash. As they get older, they get bigger and more gourd-like. And usually those are too tough, and they're usually used for decoration. So I'm gonna add some certain vegetables and meats to put in the stuffing for the pear squash. Some typical herbs and spices. I'm gonna use a little bit of garlic, onion, a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of rice wine, and then a hint of spices. A little bit of chili sauce, and we're going to saute that up with a little bit of ground pork, and then we're going to use that for the stuffing, and afterwards we're going to use it, put it inside, and we're going to bake it. Now we're ready to put it in the oven, and I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees. Depending on your oven, mine doesn't really cook that well, but typically you want to put it in there for about an hour. A good sign to know when it's done is the outside will turn a little bit brownish, as you can see. Once you have it like that, it's ready to go, and then you're ready to serve it. And the final touches are done, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, my name is Jason. Hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.